Hello everyone, welcome to Fakoha Center, Peri Specialist Cardiac Hospital, GRA Boya, Cameroon. Fakoha is located beside Mansour Hotel, and welcome to the Sonography Department of Fakoha. I'm Mr. Neka Dominique Fibwa, Medical Imaging, Medical Radiographer, Adult and Pediatric Cardiac Sonographer. We are two of us operating in the department. So here is one of our ultrasound machines among the 4 ultrasound machine that we have. Here is a GE ultrasound machine Vivid 7. This is a multi-purpose ultrasound machine for adult and pediatric examination, which is like cardiac sonography for the adult and pediatric, and also for structure like the thyroid, the breast, Doppler ultrasound, breast ultrasound, and things like prostate ultrasound, and also obstetric ultrasound for pregnant women. So this ultrasound machine is a high resolution machine for both the deep structures and superficial. We have the CMS machine, which is also a multi-purpose ultrasound machine. We have the ProSound Alpha 7, which is also a multi-purpose ultrasound machine. We are going to show you people all those machines. We have the Philips, which is also a multi-purpose ultrasound machine, which is just bedside for patients that cannot move to the sonography department. We just have to do it bedside. So this is our multi-purpose CMS ultrasound machine, which does examination for the deep structures and examinations for the superficial structures. So we have 2 probes, the curvilinear and the linear probe. This probe, we use it for structure like the liver, the kidney, the spleen, the prostate, the uterus, and this probe we use it for structure like the thyroid, the breast, and also vascular and arterial Doppler studies. This is our ProSound ultrasound machine Alpha 7, which is among the 4 ultrasound machines that we have. It's also a multi-purpose ultrasound machine which does cardiac ultrasound for the adult as well as the pediatric as well. And then we have our 2 probes, extra probe, the curvilinear and the linear probe for deep and superficial structures. So this is our Philips ultrasound machine. It's a bedside ultrasound machine for cardiac only. For patients that are admitted, we don't have to move them to the sonography department for their cardiac ultrasound. So it has 3 probes, 2 cardiac probes, and a transesophageal probe for transesophageal assessment of the heart. So this one, we use it for patients that are bedside on the ward. So we use it to examine their heart and see how they are progressing. So therefore, all these are 4 ultrasound multipurpose machines. We are glad to announce to the general public that Fakoha Center, Peri Specialist Cardiac Hospital, located beside Mountain Hotel, offers all general ultrasound exams and specialized ultrasound exams. For general ultrasound, we have abdominal ultrasound for the liver, the kidney, and the spleen and other organs. We have pelvic ultrasound for both the male and the female, for things like the prostate and the uterus. And then we have obstetric ultrasound for pregnant women. And then we have thyroid ultrasound, breast ultrasound, testicular ultrasound, and musculoskeletal ultrasound. For specialized ultrasound exams, we have adult and pediatric cardiac sonography, and then we have vascular ultrasound for both the arterial and venous ultrasound and carotid Doppler studies. And then we also have eye ultrasound. We have brain ultrasound for even for pediatricians that have problem with their newborn babies. They can refer them to us for their cerebral ultrasound scan as well. So with all this, we invite the general public to walk in for their cardiac check-up, for general check-up at Fakoha Center. So thank you for your kind attention.